This is a demonstration of NUVO drill stops and how they may be used. Elements include surgical kit and a stop kit, which creates the NUVO stop solution. We will be using a motor, a model, an implant, a healing abutment, and final abutment. The motor is set at 800 RPM. For this demonstration, we will be using a 4.3 by 10 mm implant. We start with a pilot drill, but please note that this drill is optional. Here we are using it to drill a small hole in the model where the implant will be placed. Next, we use the 2.0 drill. Since we are placing a 10 mm implant for this demonstration, we will use the 10 mm drill stop. This is only a model, but you'll see that the drill is designed to collect bone material. Now, we switch to the 3.5 drill. Please note, because we're placing a 4.3 diameter implant, we follow the green line here. Now the same with 10 mm up to 3.5. Again, the drill is designed to collect bone material. Next, we're going to use the 3.75. At this point, the green line we were following diverges depending on the type of bone. Type 3 and 4 bone, you stick with the solid green line to point 3 here. And type 1 or type 2 bone from 3.75 up to 4.3 plus, following the dotted green line. In this case, we're going to go from 3.75 up to 4.3 plus because the model in this demonstration is made of plastic. Finally, we're going to go up to this countersink. There is no hub on the countersink, but it is only going up to this line here to take out the top cortical layer of bone. To take out the implant driver, we'll use the implant drive for handpiece. There are two implant drivers that come in the kit, with the connection on the bottom here that connects to the handpiece and the motor. The one with the yellow line is for narrow platforms. The one without is for standard platforms. Because we are using a 4.3 for this demonstration, we'll be using this one without the marking. We will also change the motor to a slower speed. When you open the implant package, you'll see the implant in its holder and a cover screw. When you use the implant driver to remove the implant from the vial, you should hear the implant snap into the driver. We remove the implant and place it before we torque the implant in the rest of the way. The narrow platform features a yellow band. The standard platform features no yellow band. The torque wrench is used to torque down the implant. The gauge features Newton centimeters marked on the side. Here is the packaging again for the implant. And this is the cover screw from before. We're going to be using our 1.2 screwdriver. Only one screwdriver is needed for our entire restorative portfolio, simplifying your workflow and reducing your inventory. We are now going to take off the cover screw and put on the healing abutment. From the side, you can see the healing abutment. Now we'll take it out and put the final abutment on. This is the titanium abutment. Taking the abutment screw, we put it into the abutment, and then both are placed into the implant to seat the titanium abutment.